Hello everyone, welcome to the government exam preparation, and in this video we are going to discuss today's current affairs from major geopolitical events to national and international importance. Specifically this video dedicated to rapid fast MCQ practice, which is beneficial for quick practice or revision. Before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any future lessons. Alright, let's get started. First question is, National Unity Day is observed in India on dash. Its right answer is 31st October. The National Unity Day is observed in India on 31st October. Next question, National Unity Day 2025 slogan focused on dash. Its right answer is Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. National Unity Day 2025 slogan focused on Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. Next question, 31st October marks the birth anniversary of dash. Its right answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 31st October marks the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question, the Ekta Parade 2025 was held at dash. Right answer is Kevadia or Ekta Nagar. The Ekta Parade 2025 was held at Kevadia or Ekta Nagar. Next question, theme of Bastar Tableau 2025 at Ekta Parade dash. Right answer is from struggle to development, from fear to faith. The theme of Bastar Tableau 2025 at Ekta Parade, from struggle to development, from fear to faith. Next question, the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar 2025 introduced how many award categories? Its right answer is 4. These are Vigyan Ratna, Vigyan Shri, Vigyan Yuva SSB, Vigyan Team Award. The Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar 2025 introduced in 4 categories. Next question, the highest science honor in India, Vigyan Ratna, was awarded posthumously in 2025 to which scientist? Its correct answer is Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. The highest science honor in India, Vigyan Ratna, was awarded posthumously in 2025 to Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Next question, India's cyber security industry value in 2025 dash. Right answer is $20 billion. India's cyber security industry value at 2025 $20 billion. Next question, approximate number of Indian startups in cyber security 2025 dash. Right answer is 400 plus. Approximate number of Indian startups in cyber security 400 plus. Next question, the FIDE Chess World Cup 2025 begin in dash. Its right answer is Goa. The FIDE Chess World Cup 2025 begin in Goa. Next question, according to the CSE Center for Science and Environment Assessment, what percentage of Indian soil samples are deficient in nitrogen? Its right answer is 64%. According to the CSE or Center for Science and Environment Assessment, 64% of Indian soil samples are deficient in nitrogen. Next question, Cyclone Montha affected coastal areas of dash. Its right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Cyclone Montha affected coastal area of Andhra Pradesh. Next question, India exported GI tagged Indi and Pulyankudi limes to dash. Its right answer is UK. India exported GI tagged Indi and Pulyankudi limes to UK. Next question, the Bharat International Rice Conference 2025 took place in dash. Its right answer is Delhi. The Bharat International Rice Conference 2025 took place in Delhi. Next question, the summit between the US and China in late October 2025 took place in which country or city? Its right answer is Busan, South Korea. The summit between the US and China in late October 2025 took place in Busan, South Korea. Next question, how many significant achievements did the Indian space sector claim under the direction of ISRO or its chairman Narayan? Its right answer is 200 milestones. 200 milestone significant achievements did the Indian space sector claim under the direction of ISRO. Next question, the statement India and China are partners, not rivals, refer to the which two leaders? Its right answer is Modi and Xi. The statement India and China are partners, not rivals, referred to Modi and Xi Jinping. Next question, the Geopolitical Hotspots Monitor on 31st October 2025 listed which of the following as a major concern? Its right answer is Russia, Ukraine, Middle East, US, China, Indo-Pacific. The Geopolitical Hotspot Monitor on 31st October 2025 listed Russia, Ukraine, Middle East, US, China, Indo-Pacific as a major concern. Next question, as of October 30, 2025, what was the approximate contribution of the service sector to India's GVA, gross value added? Its right answer is 55%. As of October 30, 2025, 55% approximate contribution of the service sector to India's GVA. Next question, which two world powers rivalry and meeting on 30 to 31st October 2025 was highlighted in a commentary on global order? Right answer is US and China. US and China, two world powers rivalry and meeting on 30 to 31st October 2025 was highlighted in a commentary on global order. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more updates. See you in the next one.